a lot of them who think that website does not work. In this digital age, real estate cannot be brought digital. They still believe that real estate is something that has to be done offline, and the website is just a useless thing. And do you know why they think so? Have you met people have you met those real estate agents who complain that the website does not work for them? Website is a useless thing. Website does not generate leads. Website does not generate inquiries. Why should somebody be wasting time on websites? Have you met those kind of people? There are a lot of them. A lot of them who think that website does not work. In this digital age, real estate cannot be brought digital. They still believe that real estate is something that has to be done offline, and the website is just a useless thing. And do you know why they think so? Because when they were getting their website developed and the question came to them that do you want a custom website, a customized website, or an easy to build, easy to manage template website, they chose the template website. They chose that low cost, quick website for themselves, because they thought that why pay so much of money for a custom website when I can have the same website or a similar website that is templated or that is copy pasted. I'm good with that, right? Because it's both of the things are the same mostly. Do not be that person. Do not be that person. Build a website that is you, that is about you, customized for you, tailored for you. Have a website that is you, that is a reflection of you, and only then you will see that your website has started working for you. Your website is generating the leads that you want for yourself. Your website is getting you the inquiries that you have wanted, the buying inquiries, the selling inquiries. Your website will be doing it all, and you'll be surprised to see the results. So make a wise decision. Do not get into the hands of those, I won't say,